And there it goes again. The spies, the demonic spies, the abusive, what do you call this, motorcyclists are back into the games again. Oh my gosh. Just how many Bible verses should I point unto you so that you will stop? Just how many corrections, just how many rebukes must I do for you to stop hurting me? Just how many, what do you call this? How many times should I forgive you? Just how many times should I give chances? I don't know. There's really something in you anymore. And I believe it's not me that what do we call this? It's not me who will help you. Only God can change you. And yeah, I will always say this to you. All those negative things that's what do you call that, whispering you and it's on your head, I'll tell you this, that is all from Satan. If you keep on letting it in, if you keep on, like you're allowing yourself to be bended towards those things, you are losing yourself. And I tell you this, it's from Satan. Don't be a slave of Satan. And I will always hope, I will always pray that you will get to know Jesus Christ as your true Savior and Master in your life. Because without Jesus, you will really be demonic. Without Jesus, your life is like you don't want it anymore. Don't let Satan poison you. Don't let Satan poison your whole life, your whole being. Don't let him be. And yeah, don't let this this thought, this regret in your whole being, that one day you will realize, am I too much? Am I Satan? Am I Judas, the betrayal? Because you know what you're doing to me? You're betraying me every day. You're hurting me every day. What do you think of me? I am a human being. I'm not a robot, I do have feelings. I may be very calm in every video that I get, but I'm hurting inside. I am hurting inside. Bisaya ora ko ayaw jud paabta makahuna kag Judas bangka ko, Satanas bangka ko. Grabe na akong salaan ng tawhana. Ako siyang ipasakitan halos araw-araw. Ako sige ko pangitag pamaagi mga sa ang pagsolusyon sa mga problema ng kalibutan na wala gyud mo. As in gyud, grabe kayo yung mga tao nga ginaabuso gyud ako ang kindness, ginaabuso ang ako ang pagkabuutan, ginaabuso ako ang tanan-tanan akong tabang. Nya kaduha masingog gaba ang nabitaw. Grabe jud, as in di na ko ka, I don't know, ako na lang ihilak silently. I don't know sa irong ninyo ng anak mo, sa may sala na ako ninyo, hawa mo ko sala ninyo. All I ever nga ginabuhat adlaw is mangitag solusyon sa mga problema, pero nga na may ibawas ninyo sa ako. So painful lang yun, kay daghan pa kay kong mga pangandoy dapat akong buhaton mga mission aning kalibutana, pero gabalik-balik yun sila magyog paghikog nga na. Grabe ng mga tao ngayon na jud, as in very demonic yun. Karon pa ko kay nagbung mga tao na grabe yun, as in very, I don't know what kind of people are they, but all I can say, utak Satanas ka. Utak Judas talaga. Utak Judas, utak Satanas. Wala na talaga akong magagawa. Demonyo ka na. Anak sa devil. Sorry if makaingkog mga yun ani nga words, pero this is the only way nga para kanang mga Satanas nga nasa inyong lawas, kanang Satanas, ang Judas nga nasa inyong lawas, hawa na. Ako ning ginaotro sa akong mga vlog nga dili pa ulahi ang tanan. Ako ning iingon nga kinahanglan ka og general spiritual rehabilitation. Kinahanglan ka mga tabang sa Ginoo nga mausog ka. Kinahanglan mga tabang sa mga tao nga tabangan nimong galingon nga mahawas ko aning dapita. Og above all tabangi mong kaugalingon. Mora na siya. Ako, I am only a helper. So, ayaw paabta mautak satanas ka. Ayaw paabta nga mautak hudas ka. Mura na akong ginaingon. In taon, undangan na lang pagpasakit. Kay dugay ta maulian tanan. Umagsitag bash. Masigig libak. Masigig kuasa sa kataw. Masigig pasakit sa kataw. Walay mabuhat na. So, maara. I hope na mundang na dyan mo. Mundang na. Di pa ulahi ang tanan. Okay, bye-bye. This is my vlog for today.